What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog, askkeem.com, hits you with a first video of the day. It's been a nice day today. Kind of cool outside. Day's going good so far. And I ran across a question that really got my mind just working in multiple different ways. And the question is, what would you do with $50,000 cash? How would you invest that money? And there's an array of ways to invest that money. You could do it in a 401k, Roth IRA. You put a savings account, mutual funds. But there's so many ways to invest that money. What makes sense? What's the best way? And there's really hard to determine that based on everybody's situation. I know for me, what I would do with $50,000. Hold on for a second. Had to close the back door. It's real bright. But I'm like, look, if I had 50K, this cash handed to me, what I would do with it? Excuse me. And this is what I would do. I will put 50K towards my house, and it will help pay it off way faster. Because your biggest bills you will ever have is taxes and your mortgage payment or your rent payment. Those are the biggest bills you'll have. Not your car payment, not your cell phone. Your biggest bills in life will always be taxes and mortgage. Because once the house is paid off in 30 years, you still got to pay taxes on it. You'll pay taxes the day you die. Your house can be paid off in full, but you still pay taxes. So the biggest bills are taxes and mortgage. Those are the biggest bills you ever pay. So if I take $50,000 and put towards the mortgage cash, I could really get a second job, whatever, do more content online, and really make more money to pay off the remaining balance of the house. With the house paid for, we have the mortgage payment. Of course, you have to pay taxes and insurance on it. That's really, really low. So with the house paid for, we have options. I'm married. I have a 1-year-old son. So with the house paid for, we could stay here, just save our money to get our dream home. Once we saved our money, we can get our dream home. We can move easy because we got to sell the house. It can sit here because we haven't done with it. Or we can rent it out for some additional income. So this house could be an asset and make us money for years and years and years to come. The longer I hold the house, the more money it's worth. Okay? The more money it's worth. So in 5-10 years from now, it'd be worth double what I paid for it. Okay? Because it goes up. The value of the house goes up over time. So this is the perfect asset to invest $50,000 in. Now, you have an apartment and you have 50K in cash. If you can find you a small home, it's 85, 90K, put that $50,000 on it, work your tail off, get 2 jobs, start an online business, whatever, and pay off the remaining balance. You have the mortgage payment. You can save all that money to get your dream home. Once you move, you could rent the house out. You can rent it out for 3, 4, 5 years, and then you want to sell the home and once you sell the home by that time, it's worth double what you paid for. Okay, so also with $50,000 cash, if you find a house that's $100,000 or $125, $130, you could negotiate the price. Say, look, I got 50 grand cash. I won't put the whole 50 grand in the house. I'll buy the house from you for 80K or 85K. You put $50,000. It said, and most times, if the house is sitting there for a while, it's been foreclosed, the bank owns it, they'll take it. And you put the $50,000 cash, you got to have 85, you owe 35,000. That's not a lot of money. You can pay it off in no time. You work hard, get a side hustle, get 3 side hustles, and pay it off. If you got a spouse, both y'all can knock the mortgage out, it'd be worth it. But that's what I would do with $50,000. Everyone is different. I wouldn't buy a car. I wouldn't buy clothes. I wouldn't, and investing in a 401k is fine, but that's only until when you retire. We're not all promised tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So, 401k is fine, but I think a real estate investment will make more money over time because I can pay for this house in full, rent it out for the next 10 years and make the same amount of money in a 401k. And if I need to, I could sell it for double what I paid for. So, and then this house can pay off my mortgage for my next home. So if my next home comes out, I'm paying the mortgage. This house is paying the mortgage. I'll pay the house off even faster. So it's up to you what you want to do. I would invest that money in something that's you can make an asset. Invest into you want to start a business. Invest that into yourself. Take some courses, some real estate courses, some online courses. Take some courses to invest in yourself. Your best asset is yourself. So invest in yourself. Put that money in nice places. Pay off student loans. If you have $50,000 in student loans, would I pick $50,000 and pay the student loans? I wouldn't. I'd rather put that money into a real estate or a business opportunity and make money that way. It's benefit me to pay off the house versus paying off student loans. Okay, because this house can make me money. That student loan can't. Once the student loan is paid for, it's paid for. So a student loan can make you money if you go to school. If you go to school and you got a job in your field, it make you money. But this house can make you way more money. This house can be passed down to your kids. If you think about it, this house could be here for 30, 40 years. When I'm long gone, this house could be still paid for, we'll give it to our son, and he can still make money from it. So it's generational wealth. You're making wealth for your family. So that's what I would do. And I wouldn't buy a car, clothes. I wouldn't do anything crazy. I wouldn't spend it, blow it in the club or something like that. I would take that money and invest it smart. Investing it in a smart place. And with $50,000 cash, you have a lot of leverage to buy certain things at a discount because you have the cash on you. So that's the end of my video. What do you think? What would you, if you hit the lottery or you got a check in the mail at $50,000 and you get that money out, what would you do with it? Would you invest it in real estate? Would you invest it into a business? Would you invest it into yourself? Would you pay off bills? Would you pay off student loans and credit card bills? What would you do with $50,000 cash? And comment below, let me know what you would do with $50,000. But you gotta just think smart. You know what I'm saying? $50,000 is a lot of money, cash, and you do a lot of things with it. Everyone's situation is different. Someone who's 18, 19 years old is not even thinking about buying a house. They're just partying up all day. They ain't thinking about that. A person 30 and above got a different mindset. A person 40 and above, their mindset is different. They might want to take care of their kids or pay for tuition or college or give it to the grandkids. So everybody's mind frame is different. I'm just on a sense that you invest that money into an investment. Would you buy stocks with it? Maybe some mutual funds, but I wouldn't buy no singular stocks. I'll buy a mutual fund, have a pool of stocks. But I would do something like that. But that's the end of my video. It was interesting to think about what I'll do with $50,000, which is a lot of money. But what I'll do with that money, and I will definitely put towards this house. Me and my wife got to hustle and make extra money and come up with a little bit more and pay off the house. That will benefit us so much more. Excuse me. So that's the end of my video. Let me know what you think. And word to the wise, tip. Hey, look, it's harder and harder to make money these days. I mean, jobs are disappearing. The economy is good, but people are not hiring. So you gotta think of ways to save money and make money, and be smart with your money. So if you have kids, teach them about money. Teach them it's okay to spend money, but make sure you save some money. Make sure you think ahead of what you want to buy in the future. Think about assets you want to buy. Think about things that will make you money. So keep that in your mind. Don't create a lot of debt for yourself. Avoid debt as much as you can. But that's it for the video. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. Share the video. Comment below. And I'll see you on the next video.